Question for you tonight. Are you looking for a new job or perhaps a part-time gig? The Census Bureau is looking for people just like you, and we're told the pay just increased. Right now, there is a need for recruiting assistants, field supervisors, foreign language speakers, and a whole lot more. Workers here in Franklin County, we're told, can make anywhere between $20 and $22 an hour. The Bureau says weekly paychecks, flexible hours, and the opportunity to work close to home are all on the table. You can search for pay rates by county and apply online. We've got a link for you on our website, NBC4i.com. Just type Census Jobs in the search bar.